Did you know that you can consolidate data from multiple sheets in your Excel spreadsheet without the need for macros or even Power Query? Here's how. If you go under the Data tab, there's an option to consolidate under the Data Tools section. If I click on that, I can specify the ranges that I want to consolidate. I'm going to start by clicking this arrow, go to my first tab, select the values, add them, and now go to my next tab. And since my range is the same here, I don't need to readjust. I just am going to add it. But if your range is different, you can obviously resize it. Now I'm going to the next month. For March, add it. Then go to April. And then May. And then June. I'm going to leave the options checked off so that it uses the labels in the top row and also the leftmost column. Now when I click OK, it's going to create and consolidate all this data together. The only downside is it sorts the tabs in alphabetical order, not in the order that I selected them. But this is an easy way to consolidate your data from multiple sheets without having to use either Power Query or macros.